In this Tutti Frutti cake recipe, I have not used maida. It's completely whole wheat cake. In a bowl, take half cup melted ghee. Add 1 cup powdered sugar in it. Sift and mix it well. Now add 2 cup wheat flour, 2/3 cup milk powder. If any of you face the problem to measure 2/3 cup, simply measure with 1/3 cup and add it 2 times. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Mix them well. Gradually add 3/4 cup lukewarm milk. So while lukewarm, with lukewarm milk, ghee melts and mixes properly and lumps dissolve easily. Mix with cut and fold method and mix in one direction as well. This is the perfect consistency for this cake. Now add vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla extract, you can use vanilla essence as well. Finally, we add Tutti Frutti in it. There is no need to dust maida on Tutti Frutti. Many videos suggest to dust maida, but it doesn't work for me. I think right consistency of the batter is needed. And don't overmix the batter after adding Tutti Frutti. Apply ghee and dust maida in a cake pot and place butter paper in the bottom. Always remember, don't overfill. Sprinkle some Tutti Frutti on the top. It's completely optional. If you don't want, don't do it. Preheat the microwave at 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for 40 to 45 minutes on convection mode. Let me tell you one thing, every microwave has different temperature settings, so check your cake after 35 minutes of baking. Now our super delicious Tutti Frutti cake is ready. Let it cool completely. I always prefer to eat cakes after 4 to 5 hours. How do you prefer to eat cakes immediately or after 4 to 5 hours? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.